Today I am going to explain profit, loss and discount. Within 15 minutes I will complete this chapter for your competitive exam. Though this chapter is coming from class 7 CBSE as well as ICSE board, this chapter is present. Profit, loss, discount chapter already is present in CBSE board and ICSE board from 6, 7, 8 present. But this chapter is very vital chapter coming in the competitive exam. For any competitive entrance exam, this chapter is coming. You have to see the techniques applied, how to solve. Profit loss discount chapter sum. Okay, just see. See the exam, what are the exam for your competitive exam? Just all written RBI, SBI, IBP, SPO, clerical exam, railway recruitment exam, hotel management exam, any state exam, okay, railway recruitment aptitude test exam, any competitive exam. This chapter is very vital. That chapter's name is profit, loss and discount. Just to see for one again. If the cost price of 20 articles is equal to the selling price of 18 articles, then you have to find out what is the profit percent. Means you have to memorize the question what is given here. Cost price of 20 articles should be equal to selling price of 18 articles. Just see the copy. See the question given here. Cost price of 20 article is equal to selling price of 18 article. That means cost price by selling price will be how much? 18 by 20. It will go by 2. Directly you can keep it. Therefore, cost price by selling price is equal to 9 by 10. So let the cost price be 9x, selling price be 10x. The profit will be how much? Selling price minus cost, that will be x will come. Profit percent formula, profit by cost price into 100. That means x by 9x into 100. How much you are getting? 100 by 9. What is equal to that? 11, 1 by 9. This is the answer of question number 1. Let us go next number. See the question number 2. Let me read the question from the book. If Karan purchased 10 orange for rupees 25, clear, and sells 9 orange for rupees 25, find gain percentage. I am repeating the question. If Karan purchased 10 oranges for rupees 25 and sells 9 oranges for rupees 25, you have to find out the profit percent or gain percentage. Just see this. See, as for the question I am written here, cost price of 10 oranges equal to 25. Okay. Then selling price of 9 oranges equal to 25. What is the LCM of 10 and 9? That is LCM of 10 and 90. Means you have to find out the cost price of 90 oranges and selling price of 90 oranges. As the cost price of 10 oranges equal to 25, so what is the cost price of 90 oranges? You have to multiply 9, 25 9 is 225. Same process. Selling price equal to how much? Selling price of 90 oranges will be how much? 25 into 10, 250. Selling price is getter. Okay, selling price is getter. So what is the profit? Selling price minus cost price. How much you getting profit? 25. The profit percent formula will be profit by cost price in 100. Just to put how much you are getting? 100 by 9 means 11, 1 by 9%. Let us go next number 3. See the question number 3. I am reading the question. A person sold a table at a profit of 6 1 by 2 percentage. 6 1 by 2 percentage. If he had sold it for rupees 1250 more, he would have gained 19%. Find the cost price of the table. I am repeating the question. A person sold a table at a profit of 6 1 by 2%. If he had sold it for rupees 1250 more, he would have gained 19%. Initial profit equal to how much? 6 1 by 2%. Final profit equal to how much? 19%. You have to find out cost price of the table. That is not given. Okay. Just see the question. See, as for the question I have written here, 6 1 by 2 percentage of profit plus 1250 I am adding here because initial profit this one, after adding this one you are getting profit 19%. Yes or no? Therefore this is equal to, I am written here, this is equal to how much? 19 minus 13 by 2 percent of cost price, because profit is calculated on cost price. How much? It is LCM will how much? 2, 38 minus 13, that is 25 by 2. Percentage means what? 1 by 100. Percentage means by 100. 25 4 means coming 1 by 8. Therefore cost price will be how much? Cost price will be 8. You have to multiply that side. Cost price is equal to 1250 into 8. How much you are getting? The cost price equal to 10,000. The question is clear or not? Initial profit 6 1 by 2 percentage. Whenever you are increasing the price, then your profit also increasing. How much profit increases? That is 9. Final profit become 19%. These two profit given after the increment of price of the table. The final cost price, that means the cost price of the table will be 10,000 as per the question I have done. Just showing the calculation, taking more steps, but within a second you can solve these sums. For your competitive exam, within a second you can solve. You can tell the answer, what is the correct answer. There are 4 options given. You have to write which is the correct answer. The correct answer is 10,000. Let us go next number. See the question number 3 as for my serial number. If a saree is sold for rupees 2,880, the seller will face 10% loss. At what price should he sell to gain 20% profit? Okay. So what is the question? If a saree is sold for rupees 2,880, the seller will face 10% loss. At what price should he sell to gain 20%? Just see the process. See, first case loss given 10%. So what is the selling price? The selling price is equal to 100 minus loss given 10%. Therefore 100 minus 10% of cost price. 100 minus 10 equal to 90. 95% means by 100 of cost price. Therefore cost price will have a selling price given 2,880. Selling price given. So from here you can find cost price equal to how much? 2,880 into 10 divided by 9. Finally you are getting how much cost price? 3,200. Second part, selling price you have to find out. Selling price you will find out profit required to achieve 20%. Therefore profit means you have to add 100 plus 20% of cost price. That is 120 by 100 into cost price. How much you got? 3,200. After simplification, how much you are getting? 3,840 is the option B. There are 4 options given. You have to see. Just see the book. How many options given here? 4 options given. The option B is the right answer. Let us go next number. See question number 22. A man loses 10%. Loss given 10% by selling an article for rupees 180. At what price should he sell it to gain 10%? See the in what exam it is coming, and 4 options given, you have to write out. A man loses 10% by selling it and selling an article for rupees. That is selling price given 180, loss given 10%. What you have to find out? First you have to find the cost price, and second part, profit given 10%. What is the selling price? Okay, just see the copy. See, selling price is equal to 100 minus 10% loss. Therefore 100 minus 10% of cost price. How much you are getting? 90 by 100 into cost price. Yes or no? 0 cancel. 10 by 9. Selling price given here 180. Just this will how much? 1800. 10 multiplied 9 divided will be give you cost price. How much you will get cost price? Cost price is equal to rupees 9 to the 200. Cost price you are getting 200. What is the cost price? Rupees 200. Second part you have to find out now. Selling price you have to find out. That is 100 plus profit. Profit equal to how much? Again 10%. That means percent of cost price. That is coming 110 by 100 into 200. As it is cost price you got. Finally you are getting 100 to the. This is coming 220. So what is the final selling price? That is the 220. Okay. As for the option, just see the option. What is the option given? A given 220. The answer is 220. This is the final selling price of the. Okay. Just next question. See the question number. Next question. A person buys some pencil at 5 for rupee 1 and sells them at 3 for 1. Cost price of 5 pencil is equal to 1. Selling price of 3 pencil is equal to 1. Just to see the answer. See, cost price of 5 pencil is equal to 1. Selling price of 3 pencil, as per the question, also 1. Both are equal. Selling price. I am writing here cost price of 5 pencil is equal to selling price of 3 pencil. Therefore, cost price by selling price is equal to how much? 3 by 5. Then let cost price be 3x and selling price be 5x. So profit will be how much? Selling price minus cost, that is 2x. Profit percent equal to profit by cost price into 100. Profit equal to 2x by cost price 3x into 100. Finally, we are getting 200 by 3, which is equal to 66, 2 by 3%. As for the 4 option given, okay, 4 option, this is the correct option is, first option is just 66, 2 by 3%. This is the last question I am doing today, but next day I will continue same chapter. Thank you.